Come test drive the 2019 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, FWD, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.